The new COVID variant has so far been identified in South Africa, Botswana, Hong Kong, Belgium, and most recently in the UK. But New Yorkers are preparing for it to come here to the United States. Our Virginia Huey has more on how this new variant will affect Long Islanders.
Governor Kathy Hochul has declared a state of emergency to prepare for a new coronavirus variant called Omicron, which was first identified in South Africa. The governor said, quote, "We've taken extraordinary action to prevent the spread of COVID-19 and combat this pandemic. However, we continue to see warning signs of spikes this upcoming winter. And while the new Omicron variant has yet to be detected in New York State, it's coming." Experts fear this heavily mutated variant could be more transmissible and reduce the effectiveness of vaccines.
Right now you're talking about sort of like a red flag that this might be an issue.
The executive order, which goes into effect December 3rd, will allow the Department of Health to limit non-essential and non-urgent hospital procedures in situations where a hospital has less than 10% staff bed capacity. The emergency order is intended to increase hospital capacity in New York.
The governor is using this opportunity to make sure that everybody gets vaccinated so that if this new variant, for example, comes into the area, that we have as much protection as possible.
Governor Hochul's emergency declaration comes after President Joe Biden announced a restriction on travel from South Africa and 7 other countries in the region.
Obviously, people see the news and they get nervous. Is it safe to travel?
Travel agent Matthew Kundrup says the travel restrictions spark calls from about a dozen clients who've booked trips to South Africa, and others worried that restrictions may extend to other countries.
We've stressed and really pushed, travel insurance, cancel for any reason insurance with some of our suppliers that we deal with, to give them that flexibility that if they have to cancel and reschedule due to something COVID related or an illness related, that they have that flexibility.
The new travel restrictions go into effect Monday. They do not apply to U.S. citizens or permanent residents. Virginia Huey, News 12, Long Island.